Here we want to give tips on how to fix tubeless tires.
Choose 4 tools that we use.
The 4 tools consist of 2 special tubeless tires, tubeless tire glue, and the soft soap.
The first thing we do is
We remove the thing that has caused the motorcycle tire to leak. After that, make a hole in the motorcycle tire using the eye tool. Next, we put tire glue into tool B. After that, put the glue into the motorcycle tire like this. We cut the rest of the tire glue and save the rest because it can still be used. To ensure the glue is evenly distributed, we burn glue for a while. Then we smear it with soapy water. Make sure there are no bubbles. If there are no soap bubbles, then we have successfully patched the motorcycle tire. Okay, I hope this video helps you.
Kan ayah itu